Hey, I have a question for you. Do you buy stuff online? You know, the adulting online shopping kind of thing? Of course you do. Check out this magic trick. Open my browser. I'm gonna go on Shopee. I'm just gonna put some stuff in my cart. Let me just pay for it. I'll do it again. Swipe, 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 swipe. Cashback, yo! Keep watching so you can find out how to do this too. Oh yeah! It arrived! Yo, what's up friends? Welcome back to this week's video. If you're new here, what's up? My name's Nicole and I make weekly videos on personal finance, investing, and stuff like that. Kind of an early upload this week, guys. Today's a Monday. I usually upload on Wednesday, but Monday upload time. Guess what, guys? This is a sponsored video. Woo! Getting that bread, yo. Yeah! I'm really excited to be partnering with Shopback for this video. I was eventually going to make a video about them because I really use Shopback on a daily basis. But lucky for me, they reached out. So I partnered with them, and if you sign up with my link at shopback.ph/Nicole Alba, you can start earning cashback and even get 100 pesos for free. Amazing. Get that money, stonks, yo. So, just for transparency, I'm also going to get 100 pesos once you're able to spend a cumulative amount of 500 pesos. Support the channel, yo, and support Shopback. And also, once you have an account, you can start referring your friends and family so that you can also get 100 pesos per sign up. Isn't that nice? So for this video, I'm going to be walking you guys through how to use Shopback so that you can level up your stonk power and start earning cashback whenever you do your adulting and online shopping stuff. It's exciting because they have so many merchants and partner brands that you can get cashback from. But for this video, I'm only going to be showing you how to get cashback from ING, Citibank, Foodpanda, and Shopee. You ready? Let's go! Alright, so let's talk about Shopback for a bit. Shopback is a Singaporean company, but they offer their stuff here in the Philippines. So they're a company that's all about helping you and me save money whenever we book, order, purchase stuff online. What's that you say? Saving money? Hell yeah, I'm all about that stuff. Count me in, yo. So how it works is that whenever you shop through Shopback, they get a commission from their partner merchants and then they share that commission with you. Ain't that nice? Sharing is caring. What's even better is that the cashback that you receive is actual cold hard cash that you can withdraw through bank transfer, GCash, or PayPal that you can either spend again if you want to, or even better, save it or invest it. Hey. So I've been using cashback for such a long time that I've already accumulated about 7,000 pesos worth of cashback. That's massive. That's big money right there. And it's big because there are times that us as a family go on a vacation and I'm the one in charge of booking the transactions. So yeah, hotel accommodations, that's big money. Cashback, that's still big money. Win-win, fam. So they have a website, but they also have a mobile app and even a browser extension so that you'll never forget to activate your Shopback cashback. And actually, I'm also going to install that browser extension because there have been so many times that I forgot to go to Shopback and then I didn't get the cashback. So sayang din. Gosh damn. Next, let's talk about ING. So I talked about them in my previous video about the best high-interest savings account. I'll link it here if you haven't watched it. And they essentially offer 4% interest per year on your savings. Like, dude, that's massive. Because you know what? Regular banks, mga traditional banks, they only offer you 0.1 to 0.25% interest per year. Compare that, okay? Let's compute that. Let's say you have 10,000 pesos saved, all right? This is the amount that you'll get per month if you put it in an account that gives you 4% per annum. And this is the amount when you put it in an account that gives you 0.25% per annum. You see the difference? So if you're interested in opening an account with ING, you actually have a promo right now with Shopback where you can get 500 pesos for free just by creating your account. I personally am not eligible anymore because I already have an account. But let's say you don't have an ING account yet and you're looking to open one. Well, you're in luck. You're about to get 500 pesos. Here's how to do it. First, you download the ING mobile app, right? You just go to the Google Play Store or the App Store. Then, You open the Shopback mobile app and then look for ING there. Click Continue to App and it's supposed to redirect you to the ING mobile app. Then continue with your sign-up process as usual. Create your account, submit your IDs, fill in the form and the details. Once you've signed up, take note of your customer number that they're going to provide you. You're gonna need that. We good? Go back to the Shopback app and then look for the Google form. Fill up the form with your Shopback email address as well as your customer number that you got from ING. Shopback will initially only track 0 pesos, but they'll update it to 500 pesos once they validate that you've actually created an account. Your cashback will be tracked in 5 days, and that's it. Enjoy your 500 pesos, fam. It's your reward so that you can start saving your money. I'll leave a link to the blog post then for the detailed instructions down below in case you need it. So yeah, my watch thinks I'm running because of all my hand gestures. You see that? Next, let's talk about Foodpanda. So through Foodpanda, you're able to order from a lot of different restaurants and it will be delivered to your house. Convenient? Hell yeah. With Shopback, you're able to receive up to 3% cashback on your Foodpanda purchase. So in order to get that sweet cashback, what you do is that you go to shopback.ph, then you go to Foodpanda, and then click that you're going to go to Foodpanda and it will redirect you to Foodpanda, and then you can just order as usual. What I like to do is that I like to place my orders in my cart first, and then I'll go to Shopback once I'm ready to pay for my order in order to make sure that your cashback is tracked. Because I think there's like a time limit then. Cashback is also tracked whenever you use the Foodpanda app. Just make sure that you go to the Shopback app first before you check out that Foodpanda order. You good? Enjoy your food and the 3% cashback, yo. Next up, it's Citibank. Shopback is currently offering a promo where you can get 1,500 pesos cashback when you apply for a Citibank credit card. 1,500? Like a few weeks ago, it was only 350, but now they raised it up to 1,500. So yeah, raining cash, yo. I personally am not eligible to apply for a credit card yet because of my age and I don't have a job. But in case you are looking for your next credit card, you can apply for a Citibank credit card. So they have a promo for 3 cards currently. You can apply for a Citibank Simplicity credit card, a Citibank Rewards credit card, or a Citibank Cashback credit card. And with any of those, you can get 1,500 pesos cash back. Take note that you'll only receive the cashback once your application is approved. So if you apply and then you get rejected, you don't get that 1,500 pesos cash back. I'm sorry, it just doesn't work that way. Next is Shopee. So very simple lang. With Shopee, if you shop through Shopback, you can get up to 6% cashback if you're a new customer. For regular customers, I think it's 0.5%, but still, cashback is still cashback. Only transactions done with the mobile app is eligible to get cashback from Shopback. So you can't buy from Shopee through their website and get cashback. It's only with the mobile app. Yeah. So easy lang. What I do the same thing. I usually put all the things I want to buy muna in my cart, and once it's in my cart, then I go to Shopback. Like I open the mobile app, go to Shopee, and then click go to app, and it will open up my Shopee app, and then I'll go and continue my checkout process. That's it, very simple. Get your cash back now, fam. You're ready to get your cash back? Before you do, here are some reminders so that you can ensure that your cashback is properly tracked. First of all, whenever you make a new transaction, make sure to go through Shopback first. If you're making 3 separate transactions, regardless of whether it's the same merchant or it's a different merchant, make sure that you click through Shopback every single time. Let's say I want to buy from Shopee, then I want to buy from Lazada. I'll need to go through Shopback before I check out on Shopee, and then again before I check out on Foodpanda. It's just like making sure, I always like make sure to double click so that my cashback is for sure tracked. Make sure that Shopback is the very last link that you clicked before you did the purchase in order to get the cashback tracked. So whenever I use Shopback, like let's say I look for an online store and it redirects me to the store, I never leave that tab. I use that same tab for my purchases. I don't open a new tab and then check out there because there might be some problems with the tracking of the cashback. If for some reason the payment fails on the merchant, make sure to open Shopback again and then do the whole process again before you pay. These reminders are just to make sure that all of your transactions are properly tracked so that you don't miss out on cashback, and that's sad. I've done that a lot of times and sayang. So, don't forget to sign up through shopback.ph/Nicole Alba to get 100 pesos for free. Yeah. That's all for this week. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys again on Wednesday next week. Go get that cash back. Bye. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for washing.